you need to remember that based on the nature of trigonometric ratio, whether it is sine or tan we know the more the degree angle will be increased for acute angles, the number will be increasing gradually also. But for cos theta only, the the angle will be increasing, that means the value will be decreasing. Therefore, for cos theta it will be subtraction, and for sin theta and tan theta it will be addition. Let me give you quick example for cos theta. Okay, now let's see this table. It is a table of cosine. So for cosine, 62 degree value is 0.4695. That is in the main table. 62 degrees 0 minute and 62 degrees same, right? Now for under 24 minute you have the values 4633, and under mean difference under 3 you have 8. Why it is giving like this? Because your question is cos of 6, because in the exam also nobody will give you the entire table, so they will give some sample values from the table, right? So cos of 62 degree 27 minute you need to find out. So cos of 62 degree 24 minute, that is already given. So cos of 62 degree 24 minute, that is already given in the table, which is 4633 divided by 10,000. You don't need to show this division, but it is 0.4633. This is already given because the 0 minute value it is given just in the table. That is how it is given, that it is a 4th decimal number, but for rest of the numbers also you need to convert it into 4th decimal number, and for that you need to divide any number where it is not decimal by 10,000, right? So now cos 62 degree 27 minute, that you need to find out. Cos 62 degree 27 minute. So what is the difference? The difference is (27 minute minus 24 minute), that is equals to 3 minute. So cos of 62 degree 27 minute, that means cos of 62 degree 24 minute, that is given, plus the value of that difference of 3 minute, right? So cos of 62 degree 24 minute, the value is 0.4633, 0.4633. Now here from the main table that value is given, but for the mean difference, what is the difference? Whether you need to add or subtract. Here you need to, since the angle, you are increasing the angle 62 degree 24 minute, and then the plus difference of these 3, then it is the plus of difference that 3, right? This is okay. So this plus actually it implies that you need to add the angle value. When you are adding any value, the difference that will be converted to subtraction, not addition. Therefore, here what you need to do, you need to minus this 8. So difference of 3, it is 8, 3 minute. 3 minute means what is the respective value? The respective value is 8 divided by 10,000, that means 0.0008. So now you will calculate this, and that will be the value of 62 degree 27 minute. Okay. So next problem is find theta if sin theta equals to 0.5798, and use the above table. That means this table you need to find it out from this table. So what is the value given? 35 degree for sine. This is a table from sine, natural sine. 35 degree 0 minute, it is 0.5736. For 24 minute 0.5793, that means it is 0.5793. And the change is mean difference for 2 minute, it is 5. That means you need to divide by 10,000, that means 0.0005, 0.305. 3 zeros means 3 naught, you can say 0.305. Given sine of 35 degree 24 minute, the value is given from the table, it is 0.5793. Very easy. If you understand, it is very easy. The value is given for sine theta, that is equals to 0.5798. Now, between these two values, what is the difference? The difference in values is 0.5798 minus 0.5793. That means it is 0.0005. Okay. Now, in the mean difference, what is the value that is given? So, for difference of 2 minutes, the change in values is 0.0005. This is the change in value. So, this value and this value is same. That means the difference between this 24 minute and this sine theta value 0.5798, that is actually 2 minute, because this value is matching 0.0005, that is for 2 minute changes, and here also the difference is 0.00005, 0.0005, 0.305. So that means this difference in values between 0.5793 and 0.5798, that is for 2 minute. This number 0.5798, 0.5798 is greater than 0.5793. That means the angle associated to 0.5798, since it's a sine, natural sine itself, it is not cosine. So the angle, since the value is greater for sine theta, the value is greater than sine 35 degree 24 minute. That means obviously this theta value is also greater than 35 degree 24 minute. Theta is also greater than 35 degree 24 minute, because when the value angle will be increased, then only the value will be increased. So therefore, here you need to add these 2 minutes. So what you understood? First of all, you found the difference between the main table versus the whatever value it is given in the question with respect to unknown angle theta. So if you find out the difference, then try to find out, okay, that difference is matching somehow in the mean difference. Yes, it is matching this 0.0005, and that is for 2 minutes. That is why 2 minutes is given. Sometimes, just to make you fool, what they can give value for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 numbers. Then you need to find out itself. Here only the value is given for 2 minutes. If the entire table is row is given, then from here you need to find out, okay, which value is matching. 0.0005 means it is for 2 minutes. The value is matching. That means the difference is 2 minutes. So that difference is to add or to subtract. Since it's a sine, the trigonometrical ratio, it is sine. That means that 2 minutes you need to add, because for sine, the more the value of the angle, more the value of the sine trigonometric ratio. Right? So for the earlier problem, we have added the values. Here we will add the angle. Value of theta will be theta equals to 35 degree 24 minute plus this one you need to consider. So 34 degree and this value is 2 minutes. So plus 2 minutes. That means theta value is 35 degree 26 minutes. Got it? So from these examples, I hope you understood what is the utility of mean difference and how you will catch up the problem. So up to from and why there are only 5 minutes are given in the mean difference. So that is how I have already covered these two things today, right? This part is covered and this is also examples also I have given. So I hope you have liked this video, you understood it, the concept is clear, because this concept is very much important, how to utilize your trigonometry table to find out unknown values which is not there, I mean beyond this 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, and also including minutes. They have to find out from utilizing the trigonometry table. This is a very important one, right? Just to understand. If you understand, there is no issue into that, right? So my first objective for each of the video is to clear your concept so that you can solve the problems on your own. So if you liked it, please click on the like button, and if you want to have this kind of video again and again, as soon as I upload it in, you will get the notification. Then please subscribe my channel Dev's Learning Hub, and also follow my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Okay, chalo, thank you very much.